name is Jeremiah, and I just got my library card on Slack.
My name is Jeremiah, and I just got my library card on Slack.
You better slap these groceries in this house.
Don't slack.
Shut your mouth.
My name is Robin, I just got my library card on Gang.
My name is Jordan, I just got my library card on Gang.
That boy got a size 11 shoebox on his head, Lord.
My name is Carter, and I got my library card today.
My name is Carter, and I got my library card today.
That's the Green Goblin's son. What is wrong with him?
Somebody call Bishop Holcomb. Call the bishop. We need exorcism. Lord.
My name is Stacy, and I just got my library card now.
My name is Ed, and I just got my library card right now.
Come over here, baby, so I can tighten that hat up. Come over here. What the heck? Oh, Lord. Yeah, call the ambulance. Lord have mercy. He's stuck. Lord. What?
My name is Brooke, and I already lost my library.
My name is Gunkanada, and I already lost my library card.
Oh, Jesus. Lord have mercy. I ain't know she was from Brooklyn. I thought you said